Hello, um, follow the videos PM361. I have not making too much video of it, just to show you first time when you have opened it. Second time, I think when I have it remove the back glass. This iPhone 12 not turning on. You have to remove the screen. Now we are going to test it. Have a look how it's remove the screen, how easy it is. It's going to be damage the screen, remove it from the frame. You know, you got the frame for the plastic frame, go around the screen, go remove it, or it's easy and going to remove it from the phone. It's got a little bit crack on the corners there, but again we have a look. So it's 85 degrees I have set up to, and put a little bit alcohol around it already. Remove the screws, the bottom bit is there, this side. Again, I'm going to a little bit put alcohol more around the edges of the screen to make it easier to come off, and hopefully it's work like a back glass what I have removed it in my previous video. So let you hold in the center, put in a position, is warm enough. Put the suction cap in the right position, turn it on. Now slowly we are going to pull the screen up. The frame is need to be hot enough to release from the screen, release from the frame. And do it slowly. Put a little bit more alcohol around it. This side is off, you can see here. This side is coming up, and you can see if I do the alcohol there, is release it themselves for a little bit more. Now question is going to release it from the frame or from the phone. Okay, this phone is never been opened before. The customer come from us from the brand new. I got for his son this phone, so it's mean guarantee it's never been opened before. Okay, it look very good. All right, so let's go over there, have a look. And yes, very good, very happy with my purchase, what I have done. Recommended the machine who running the phone shop, repair shop like us. Easy peasy, take it off, use the alcohol, go around it. Let's have a look. I don't think it's going to turn on. Battery is damaged, and its power management IC is damaged in there. I have to replace it, but I don't see any damage or anything. You can see it was a crack already, and it's not having effect anything on the phone. Let me have it just a soft reset. Let's have a look. It's very, just want to show the screen is working. No, his phone is dead completely. So, but however, this is the video. How was it to removing the screen? His machine was go back there again. This is the machine, PM361, reasonable price, you can buy, and you can use it if you want to remove this screen. Question, you know, drop the comment. Don't forget to subscribe and follow, please. And if you want to need the help, go to www.k1techcare.com and contact me over there. Thank you for watching. Keep safe. Hopefully see you in next video, guys. Easy peasy, no?